Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this glorious Monday? And today I'm just kind of cruising to work somewhat quickly because the rain is about to start, and by rain I mean fucking snow and sleet, you know, the terrible shit, a wintry mix. And this whole ride is a bit of a gamble just because at like 3 or 4 it's gonna be real snow, and my party trick is to get to work and early, like 8 a.m. or whatever, and then you know, and then get home by, you know, 3 p.m. So that's why I'm making all these maneuvers, because I know the snow is cometh. I know the snow is a cometh. And look at all that salt everywhere. Oh, it's gonna be a mess. They're prepared. The city has prepared. And this vlog is not gonna go far just because I know for a fact there's gonna be nothing but lane splitting, which I don't particularly like to display. What's going on? What are these people doing? Look at this fucking person. Look at these freaking people. Yeah, that was a hectic maneuver, I'll be first to admit. All this snow is insane too. All this salt snow. Look at all this shit. This is how you dump your bike, like all this salt everywhere. And the amount of salt I'm seeing everywhere makes me realize maybe this was a mistake after all. But it's okay. We're not gonna keep discussing the same shit over and over and over and over again. It's not that exciting. But beyond that, I had a fantastic weekend. I had a good, like, Christmas parties and stuff like that, even though it's not even Christmas yet. But it's always nice to chill with the bros. I dominated everybody. What are you doing, buddy? Dominated everybody in some dart games this weekend. Nobody can touch me. Nobody. Nobody can touch me. Look, they even salted the fucking BQE. Good lord. Things are gonna get nasty, I have a feeling. And we're gonna get to experience it together. We're gonna get to experience it together on my way home, because this will be a splitteroo banzai. Really, buddy? Here we are, back on the vlog. Whoa. Whoa. I keep trying to make it fucking less aggressive and less crazy, but can't help it. I'm just a loco boy, a crazy loco boy, and I hate all these stupid little outbursts. But what you gonna do? You know, sometimes the bursts of out have to happen. Like, look at this shit. Just like so. No turning, signaling, or any of that. I'm just kind of chilling. But that salt is intense. There's quite a bit of salt on them streets. Should not be splitting like this on the salty street. Look at these kids. They took the lane, and now they're fucking going 2 miles per hour like little princesses. This lane right here is where you separate the boys from the men and the girls from the women. Because if you can take this fucking straight at speed, maybe you're not a total fucking noob. It is complicated. It is a tricky concept. to not go slow, especially if you have a Jeep, you know, because it's an all-wheel drive vehicle and it's a little bit sketchy out there, so I could see how one would be scared. Come on. Come on, buddy. Is it at all possible for people to move fast? Probably not. I'm guessing not. I'm guessing everybody's too upset. Look at this. Salt Bay. Look at all this salt. Craziness. I'm gonna go to the left, even though I didn't do a turn signal. Savages. Is there really no... What's happening there? Is there no passway? Yo, is there? Can I go that way? Yeah. Can I go? Huh? Or no? No? Alright, fuck it. Sorry, I'm going that way. That's fine. Going the wrong way on the one-way street. No. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Don't be scared. And here we are. After all that back and forth stress, hoo-ha. Gonna go this way. Sorry. My bad. Everybody's upset. Everybody's mad at me. And it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. Alright, boys and girls. I don't even know if it's a vlog or if it was just like a weird ride that I talked to myself. But either way, we're just gonna park this bitch and call it a day.